everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Poshmark. So here is how you can easily do it. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the search box and type in poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you're logged into your Poshmark account. Once you are, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner and click on Account Settings. Right where you can see your profile picture inside the Edit Profile tab, click the Edit button right beneath your picture. Now, go ahead and select the file location for the picture you'd like to upload. Once you find the picture of yourself, click on Open and then you'll be able to choose a new profile picture. Adjust the image like you'd want it to appear on your profile and click Apply. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to upload your profile image. Now scroll down and click Save to save the changes. And there you have successfully changed your profile picture on Poshmark. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.